Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. You probably can hear my dog in the back breathing like a stalker because I had to go to the vet today and she's on protest. So I'm coming on to say happy whatever day that ends in a Y. I am on my way home, but I stopped off at Tractor Supply. And I want to show you what's going on at Tractor Supply. It looks like a lot of stores are ramping up for spring. Let me show you what I saw. If your Tractor Supply has a garden center, you'll probably notice that they are putting out their plants, their soil, and their mulch. They are getting ready for spring. They have a small amount of spring bulbs. I almost forgot, Tractor Supply sells canning items. Much to be expected, the shelf was pretty empty. They have log rack brackets. I also found a composter. I was shocked to see the plant tone was $7.99. Now, I didn't get any. I may go back and get some, but I'm trying not to buy a lot of fertilizer from the store. I did, of course, get that chicken poop fertilizer, though. They have elevated raised beds. They're also starting to put out their trees. This entire row looks like it's going to be nothing but trees. They have the largest bag of DE I have ever seen. By the garden center and inside, their racks are full. They have seed starting mix as well as seed starting trays and everything you need to get started this season. They've pulled out even more trees. Inside, they have the bagged bare root trees indoors. They have fertilizer, your tree clippers, pruners, shoes, you name it. They are ready at Tractor Supply. Everywhere I turned, they had pulled out their gardening supplies in this Tractor Supply. They had multiple racks of seeds, and their burpee seeds were all 25% off. They just pulled all this stuff out, and they already have them on sale. Not the organic seeds, they're full price. They have their flowers, their shrubs, their vining plants, their onions, potatoes, asparagus, garlic. They are ready. They have it all. Everywhere I turn, there's just more and more to look at. They had some flowering plants. Oh my goodness, flowering plants. I might have been the second person to see all these new displays. This was hardly touched by anyone. I felt pretty excited to get a jump on all this goodness. I just bought a pair of high C boots, so I didn't buy any of these. I need my boots to be tough and tumble because my boots were tearing up. They have Paralight and pump sprayers. I stood here looking at this tree watering bag thinking, do I need it? This is why I went to the Dollar Tree. They didn't have these, but I didn't get them. I didn't get any of this either. I have a netting trellis that I've had for 17 years I've never used. As I was leaving, I saw they have racks upon racks upon racks of roses. Look what else I saw. They have my Gorilla cart for $199.99 that I got for free. That's a quick sneak peek of what I saw today. So until the next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.